Meanwhile, we continue to track recovery efforts in the eastern Caribbean country of Dominica, which was last week devastated by Category 5 Hurricane Maria. TVJ's Herman Green has been in Dominica and now gives us an update on the situation there.
It's a slow road to recovery for the residents of Dominica. We're right here in Belfast, where it's no exception, it's no different here. As you can see behind me, most of the houses are like this. The roofs have been ripped off of the structures. Most of them are not occupied anymore, or persons have moved to the lower level where they can get some semblance of normalcy. As you go across the landscape here, what used to be green, defining the Dominican landscape, is now brown. Mere sticks protruding from the ground. You can see a little bit of green leaves, but that's nothing compared to what was there. The community here of Belfast, it kind of gives you a view across neighboring communities. Up on the hillside, you can see Jimmet. From here, you probably can't make out the houses that have lost roofs, but some have, and some are still standing strong. Where we are right here, however, we're on the balcony of this housing. And as you can see, a door was here during the hurricane. That door in the wind was blown clear off its hinges inside. As you come inside in this room, which used to be the master bedroom here, it's basically a wreck. Everything is tossed all over the place. Glass was on the floors, everything destroyed. Doors soaked in water. The roof got some amount of damage, even though it wasn't totally removed. And then there's an inner door here, another door that was sealed here. That too was blown clear off its hinges, which just speaks to the magnitude, the strength of Hurricane Maria. As we ventured out on Tuesday, we heard that roads to some communities in the north and east were still impassable. So we ventured towards the capital, Roseau. That did not go well. After another hour, the traffic was still not moving, so we decided to walk. And there, in an almost deserted town, we saw some real damage. So we're now down here on what is called Bayfront. It's pretty much like the hip strip of Roseau. And as you can see behind me, total devastation. Vehicles flipped over. Everything is a total mess. Over on my left-hand side, that is, of course, a bridge leading out to the jetty, to the port. Benches are here where persons normally sit, and basically for entertainment, they come out here to enjoy themselves. From what we're seeing down on this side, again, more cars flipped over. Debris right across the place. Vehicles on the sidewalk smashed against the walls. That in the far distance is the pier where ships normally come in, but that is also a wreck from what we are hearing. So basically we are going through the town now. We're just looking at the devastation, getting a view of it, getting a feel of it firsthand. And areas like these is why persons say the place has been devastated. We are still seeing evidence that the recovery effort is progressing. One of the airports, the Canefield Airport, is now showing signs of activity.